Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to locate your GoHighLevel API key in under 5 minutes. If you are watching this, you likely want to automate workflows or connect your GoHighLevel account with other marketing applications. This API key acts as a secure bridge, allowing external tools to interact with your account features without requiring your private login credentials. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can have your key ready for use by the end of this guide. Begin by visiting the official GoHighLevel website. This platform is a hub for marketing experts and agencies looking for advanced tools. Once the page loads, select the Login to App button to reach your personal dashboard. You will be prompted for your credentials. Enter the email address linked to your account to ensure a smooth login. Next, provide your password. Always use a strong, unique password to keep your data safe. After that, hit the Sign In button to continue. Because security is a top priority, you might need to verify your identity. If prompted, click Send Security Code. This extra layer prevents unauthorized access. Check your inbox for the code, then type it into the required field. This multi-factor authentication process keeps your account well protected. You should now see your main dashboard, which serves as your central command center for all platform activities. From here, click on the Sub-Accounts tab. This area lists the various accounts you manage based on your specific permissions. Once you have opened the Sub-Accounts section, find and click on the Settings menu. This is where you can adjust various account configurations. Inside the Settings area, select Business Profile. This section holds your company details and, more importantly, your API key. Finally, click on the API key option. You will see a unique string of alphanumeric characters. This is the key you need to link GoHighLevel with other software services. You have now successfully found your API key, enabling you to streamline and automate your marketing operations. Remember to treat this key like a password. Only share it with trusted team members or verified applications. If you ever suspect a security breach, you can generate a new key in this same section to revoke old access. That concludes our tutorial. I hope this guide helps you enhance your marketing campaigns. If you encounter any trouble, the GoHighLevel support team is available to help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering your marketing tools.